Welcome to the Symtrax Connect multi-system collaboration cut down webinar. Within this webinar, what I'm actually going to be showing you is how you can bring together multiple systems within your business into one central location. It's based on a real life story, and that is a business. They were generating invoices in one system, orders in another, customer data in another system. They needed it to be all centrally located. A couple of challenges that were faced were here. So they wanted all the documents centrally located for everybody in the business to be able to access whenever they wanted. They can search them by customer name, customer number, invoice number, order number, and so on and so forth. They also needed a way of being able to communicate with the archiving solution in multiple ways. So this was being able to access Dynamics, SAP, Iseries, but also be able to email as well as upload and also drag and drop, and still those documents will be attached to the correct and relevant record. Most importantly, it had to be a fully automated process with no additional processes for their employees throughout an order stage. So this solution, what it does, it will fix those particular challenges or assist those particular challenges by bringing together the Complio software. So I'm going to go straight into the actual demonstration itself. So in here, there's a little bit about just our company here, Symtrax. But first of all, I'm going to send a spool from an Iseries. So for this, I'm using our application, which is called Explorer. It's just a little bit quicker than logging straight into our Iseries server. Down the left-hand side, in a moment, what you will see is a number of output queues. So I'm going to be using one called Demo. Just select here, and there's an invoice, and as you would in your Iseries or your JD or your AS400, what you would do now is just go and release that spool. So we release it, click yes, and that's it. So it has been released now. The next protocol is going to be our SAP system. So go and log into SAP. I have a purchase order. Again, you just print this as you would normally in SAP. Our system will then pick it up, it will process it, will archive it. So we print now, there we are. So that has now printed, got the green light at the bottom, that's been fully processed. Our third system is going to be Dynamics. So we go over to our Dynamics system here, and all I'm going to do is go and print this customer invoice on here. So go to my file, and I'll go to my print preview on here, and I simply print straight as I would normally to our Symtrax printer on here. And there it is, apply, and let's print. Now that will be processed, it will be attached straight into the archiving solution against the relevant customer record. So I'll just minimize these down. The next part, we was told, okay, we need a way of being able to drag and drop files that need to be processed. So we can do this with our application. Again, it's called Supervisor. If I come back, I've got a purchase order on here. You can either drag and drop, or you can simply copy and paste it straight into this folder. It could be anywhere on your network, and I'll just replace the current one. Now that will be processed, and it will be processed in a way that a purchase order would be within your business, and again it will be attached straight into the archiving solution for access later or viewing later on. So we move along our process. So that was our fourth process. Our fifth process is a nice one. It's uploading. So you can give employees, or you could give your suppliers access for them to actually upload their documents. And again, it will be archived against their particular record on here. So if I just log into here, and it's under UK Demo, and I'll be given a couple of options to upload documents. So very intuitive, very easy to use. Just click next. What sort of document is it? Okay, on this occasion it's actually a delivery note. I'll select my delivery note, click next, and go and select the files. You can do multiple files of course on here, and it's upload. Got the green tick, it's all okay. Click OK. Now that'll be again processed, it'll be attached to the relevant record within the solution for access later on. I'll just log out of here now, and a big one within all organisations has to be email. So down here, all I'm going to do is type in the email address I'm going to send it to. Within your business, you could have an email that's called invoice@yourbusinessname.com. and I can simply go and attach the relevant document that I want to be archived away on here, and in this case it's in fact an invoice. So I'll type in invoice. You don't have to put a subject because our system will read within the actual PDF document itself. Now if I click send, that will now be processed again, same as the other documents, and it'll be archived and recorded. So now we're actually going to the main solution itself, and if I come along and I'm going to log into here, and what we'll see again down the left hand side will be a number of categories. We've just done invoices, other, purchase orders. You could have customer names down there if you wished. You can categorize it however you want, whatever suits your business. So first of all, we'll just start with our invoices on here. You can search company name, customer name, whatever makes it easy for your end users and your business to search for documents. Of course, you've got invoice number and invoice date on here. So within here, what we'll see the Dynamics invoice that I'd sent over on here. If I click this, what you'll see the invoice. It's also been reformatted and enriched a bit as well. That's something our application can do for you. And then, of course, that's stored away. Down here we've got our Iseries document again. So if I just select this, as you'll see, there's the invoice. The original invoice looked like this, and once it's been enriched and reformatted, it looked like this. There's no programming knowledge needed for this. Very easy to use. Close this. Now I've got my emailed in invoice as well, which I obviously emailed in. And if I carry on down here, what I have is something called other. You can just type in document type that you're looking for. It's my delivery note that was uploaded. Again, nice and easy. You can just select it, or again you could just search by company name or customer name, document type, or dates as well. And thirdly, you've got your purchase order that we also sent over as well. So that was a drag and drop purchase order. So I dragged it into the folder. It's now been attached within here, and then of course the SAP as well. So that's all the different ways of communication with the solution. I think it covers most ways that businesses work, if not more as well. It works with a multitude of systems. Even if you have a bespoke ERP, if you have a output or you can print from it, our system will work for you. We can just print to a virtual printer and then process it straight from there. If you want to get a bit more advanced, you can actually merge all the documents together. So say you had an invoice, an order, and a goods delivery note, all from different documents and different systems. Our application will actually merge all of those together for you, so you can have one nice long document. So in here, customer calls up, says I need to have a quick look at that PR I'd sent you over. All you need to do is select the purchase order. You can either zip it up, or in this case we'll email it straight to them. That is a challenge with some ERP systems. Trying to find a pre-existing invoice or pre-existing document can be quite difficult. Within this, obviously makes it far easier, far quicker, and you can just resend it straight away. You can leave comments on here as well, so if there is a problem with it, you can leave a comment on that and then make someone aware of this issue as well. And of course, said you can zip it up if there's a multitude of files as well to send on here. So all in all, this system works on a archiving solution, and we have an application that watches different output queues, different folders, email inboxes, uploads as well. If you would like to find a little bit more information, a bit more detail about this particular solution, please feel free to contact us as well. The company is called Symtrax. Find us at symtrax.com. Give us a call or just email in. We can show you. This solution has also been used for HR as well, where you want to have a HR portal with all your employee documents. So there's many ways that you can actually use this particular solution as well. It's not just for one particular challenge faced within a business. Otherwise, I'd like to say thank you very much, and as I said, please feel free to contact us. We are a global business, so we're open 24 hours a day as well. So as I said, the website is symtrax.com, and these are the countries that we're based in. Thank you very much.